Welcome back for another video, and shout out to all my crypto goons for pulling up once again. And this just in, you can now buy cryptocurrency through Apple Pay with a debit card or credit card. And that's all made possible by MetaMask. And if you don't know what MetaMask is, it's a software cryptocurrency wallet that's used on the Ethereum blockchain. So MetaMask comes in the form of a browser extension or an app, and it allows you to connect to different decentralized applications on the Ethereum blockchain, such as those that support NFTs or the metaverse. Now, MetaMask is one of the most popular software wallets. It surpassed over 30 million monthly active users, making it one of the most popular crypto wallets available today. Now, unfortunately, this new MetaMask update only applies to iPhone users that have Apple Pay. Now, at first, in order to use MetaMask, you would have to send Ethereum from one wallet to the MetaMask. Now you can use a debit or credit card to buy cryptocurrency directly in MetaMask. Apple Pay users can deposit a maximum of $400 directly in the MetaMask with either a MasterCard or a Visa card. So this is great news for people that want to buy cryptocurrency with credit cards. A lot of the exchanges actually stop the use of credit cards, for example, Coinbase. And I'm not sure if crypto.com still allows credit cards, but with it going through Apple Pay, it looks a lot better to the credit card company because credit card companies, are used to integrating with Apple Pay. So when you are charged for something, it will show up as Apple Pay, although it is being transferred or transacted through MetaMask. So this is great news for everybody, especially for my iPhone users. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, I know the vibes on this side. No matter what, we're gonna keep getting fucking rich. Believe that.